Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do something fun. I'm going to be doing the full face makeup challenge using only an eyeshadow palette. So today I'm using my Morphe 25A palette and let's see what I create. I think I've been watching these videos and I think they're so funny. So let's see what I can create. I have absolutely no makeup on, as you can tell, but let's see what I can do. So I have all my brushes with me. I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild brush. And let's try some foundation. We're going to do, alright, let's see what we create. I'm just going to mix into all three of these. Because I'm pale. You know, we're just going to see what we can do. And I'm sure, like, you literally probably won't even be able to see anything. It's not even going to look like anything. But let's see what I can do with some eyeshadows. These videos are so funny. Feels so weird putting eyeshadow on my face. Like, literally, this cannot be okay. Okay, I'm seeing a little bit of coverage there. I'm seeing a little bit of something. I'm seeing a little bit of orangeness, like this is something that doesn't match your face. Look at my neck. You see this? A little bit of orangeness. But I do see some coverage, so we are getting somewhere. This is so funny. Let's be real. How high of hopes do y'all have for me? Do y'all have a lot of faith in me? Do y'all think I can do something? It feels so drying. It literally feels like my face is dry and needs some moisturizer. Do y'all see this? Oh my god. I'm actually getting some coverage here. Oh my goodness. Girl. I mean, I put like literally the whole freaking thing on my face. We got some coverage. Do y'all see this? We got coverage. Alright. I have some hopes. I have high hopes now. Alright, I think that's as good as I'm going to get without getting too yellow or olive-y looking. I'm going to go in. Let's do a little bit of, you know what? Let's contour. I'm going to be using this e.l.f. bronzing brush to kind of contour just because it's so thin. I'm going to go into this one right here. Let's see what I can do. Alright, so a little bit more pigmentation than I thought. I still have high hopes. It's all about blending. Girl! Oh my god. Now I'm just looking like a hot mess. Oh my god. I literally am dying right now. Alright. I'm going to be going in with this Ulta Beauty crease brush. And let's just contour the nose a little bit. And I'm going to go into a lighter shade this time. Because do y'all see this? Girl, I'll try and fix that. I'm going with this light shade right here. Let's just try and contour down the nose. Alright. It's a little dark. It's all about blending. If you can blend all this out, if I can blend all this out, literally will be a miracle. Miracle. So I'm going to bronze But I'm gonna go in with the light shade because of what I just did. I'm going with this one. And just bronze. Oh my god, does it have shimmer? My bronzer's gonna have some glitter. I'll mix those two. I'm trying to blend in this craziness that I got going on. It's already done. What's done is done. Well, at least you know this Morphe 25A palette, girl, pigmented. Because do you see this? I'm going back with this one in. No hopes. There's no hope. Girl, what's done is done. Let's go back into that first shade and line that up. Finish off the contour. Use my light shade and go around my jawbone. Girl, that's a hot mess. Hot mess. I ain't gonna try and do blush because I'm gonna end up looking like a clown. And there's not even a rosy color on here. So, skipping that, on to the highlighter. There's a lot of shimmer shades in here, so I can get a good highlight from this. I'm gonna go in with this one and use my Morphe M501 brush and use that as my highlighter. Promising, promising. After that bronzer, I just don't even know what to do myself. I mean, that's some contour. That is contour. Alright. So, now I'm going on to some eyeshadow. And if I mess up eyeshadow using eyeshadow palette, girl, what is life? So I'm gonna go in with light shade. Put it all over the lid. Oh my god. I just can't get over that contour bronzer duo, whatever is going on there. Can't even, girl. I'm not even gonna try and go all out with eyeshadow because no point. I was going somewhere until that contour was a little much. You know what I'd forgotten? Most important thing, concealer. So I'm gonna go in with this one, this light shade. Let's see what we can do. Conceal. My face is so dry. I've never had this much eyeshadow on my face before. Girl, what is going on? Let's be honest though. You'd be surprised what you can do with makeup. Not all of it is what it's used for. You can use it for different things. Like, I still can't get over that. Look at the highlight. That would be perfect highlight. This eyeshadow. The contour on the other hand is a little much. A little much for me. My skin's a little dark, but hey, it's eyeshadow. We're working with it. Okay, let's see how good we can do with making eyeliner. I'm gonna try this black shade with a little crease brush. Let's see what we can do. Oh, that's black, girl. Oh my god. See how fancy we can get with our wing. So funny. I literally cannot. God, look at me. I'm beautiful. With my big wings. With my huge wings going out to the sky. Girl, oh my God. Okay, eyebrows. Let's do some eyebrows. I actually used to do my eyebrows with eyeshadow. So if I can't get this right, I'm done. I used to do my brows with eyeshadow until pomade got in my life. Once pomade got in my life, eyeshadow is no more. Guys, so I made a dupe of the IKEA Alex desk. So if y'all want to see what it looks like, I should just keep an eye out for it, because that video is coming up soon. I'm so excited. I've been wanting a vanity in my room because a bathroom is just not enough space. Let's be real. So that video is soon to come. You should definitely watch out for it. Especially if you're wanting a dupe, something inexpensive. That is me all the way. Okay, brows are done. Look at me go. Definitely can't do any mascara, so this is it. This is what I created. My beautiful bronzed contoured face of mine. But this is what I created. Full face using just my Morphe 25A palette. This video was so funny, but you'd actually be surprised with what you can do with some eyeshadows. So have fun, play around, and make yourself laugh, because this was definitely a funny and fun video. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. There's a pink little subscribe button right there. You should go press it. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Tarte Shape Tape Matte Foundation and the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer Duo.